In reading comprehension, we have basically skimming. Skimming, what is skimming basically in reading comprehension? Skimming and scanning. Skimming is basically like scan. For example, in scanning, we scan the paper,
Right.
have to overlook the reading comprehension.
Right.
As again, you have to be very fast on your reading. It will not like this. You will the entire line, but it is just you have to capture the keywords that we call as skimming. Is that clear to you?
Right, sir.
Okay. Chalo, let's start with this. So this is my reading first. Okay. So now the time is 10:31. Sorry, the time is 8:09. Sorry, my laptop. The time is 8:09. We can consider as 8:10. So before 8:30, you have to complete, because in one competition passage you will get 20 minutes. So let's take as an example for 20 minutes only, and let's say like the progress. So it is just you have to go for glance, overlook, scanning, faster, and skimming.
Right.
चलो अब आपका टाइम स्टार्ट होता है योर टाइम रीड ऑन फटाफट it is just you have to see skimming and scanning, there's a big difference. Scanning, overlook. Okay, chalo.
Okay. स्कीमिंग एक बार मुझे दोबारा बताएंगे प्लीज स्कीमिंग.
1 second please.
स्कीमिंग एंड
One.
स्कैमिंग.
Okay, chalo, let's start with this. Let me tell you what is skimming. Scan is like we scan the paper, that's what is scan, right?
Right.
Skimming is you have to capture the keywords of the paragraph.
All right.
You have to capture the keywords, like what are the key, for example, we have a paragraph over here. In one paragraph, what are the keywords, what are the motto, what are the result? In the second paragraph, what are the keywords over here? So in email is like we have to, see, I will let you know entire thing. There is some different process. Reading, we have a lot of steps. Like in first steps we have to read the, what I would say, uh, we have to read the question first. On the basis of question, we read the paragraph. So there is a lot of ways, like how we can start ourselves for a reading competition. Clear to you?
Right, sir. Yes, sir.
At first, because we are doing a second stage of the reading comprehension, so it is just you will not look forward for a question like what the question would be. On the basis of this you will search the answers. No, first you have to understand like how to go for a skimming and the scanning and the glance. We cannot guess. Is that clear to you?
Right, sir.
Hello, your time starts now. The time is 8:12. Okay, you will start with me. Okay, fast, make it fast. Collecting, you have to understand it first.
Collecting must be one of the most varied of human activities, and it's one that may एक minute,
Make it
please.
fast, please. Skimming. Skimming is you have to capture the keywords. Many form of collecting have been. This is form of collection something. Now you came to know there is this paragraph collecting must be one of the most varied of human activities, and it's one that many of the psychologists find fascinating. Matlab, it is something about collecting something. What is the collections? Maybe you collect, the stamp, postage, uh, papers. You collect the ancient coins. Is that
Right,
clear?
right, right, right.
Okay, so read this.
Talking of
Many
personal
form of
chocolate
collecting.
wrappers, our times, energy, and money that could surely be put to much more productive use, and yet there are millions of collectors around the world. Why do we do it? There are people who collect because they want to make money. This could be called an instrumental
Exactly.
reason
Very
for
good.
collecting
Uh-huh.
money. Is they will look for
So
say
once you will complete the first paragraph and you have to stop. Okay.
right,
Some collect amazing 100 or even 1,000 postcards, chocolate wrappers, or whatever takes time, energy, and money that could surely be put into much more productive use. And yet there are millions of collectors around the world. How do they do it? Now you came to know there's something like the people collect the wrappers,
Collect
have their,
some right
yes,
sometimes.
exactly. They have, because see, someone is having a hobby of to collect the wrappers, right? Chocolate wrappers, the ancient coins, okay, the
Yes.
stamps. Okay, read the second paragraph.
There
So
are
you just
people who
have
collect because
and
they want to make money. This could be called an instrumental reason for collecting. That is
mm-hmm,
collecting as means to end, and they will look for say antiques that they can buy cheaply and expect to be able to sell at profit. But there may be will
mm-hmm.
be psychological element to buying cheap and selling dear can give the
Exactly.
collectors a sense of triumph. As selling online is so easy, more and more people are joining in. Sense of triumph.
Mm-hmm. Sense of, where is what? They want keywords.
Sense of triumph.
That is triumph.
Triumph.
Speak up, because that
Triumph.
is triumph. Speak up,
Triumph.
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 Okay, because we have to look forward for pronunciation also. That is the sense of triumph.
Triumph.
The
Right.
triumph is basically your, uh, which we call as in Hindi, vijay, your winning value, triumph.
Victory. Right. Winning. Sense of
Exactly,
winning. Right.
exactly. Yes, yes, yes. Is it clear to you?
Right.
Any
So
vocabulary you want to know? If you will not understand second paragraph,
all
any
clear. Many collectors collect to develop their social life, attending meetings of a group of collectors and exchanging information on items. This is
mhm,
variant on joining a bridge club or gym. Similarly, brings them to into contact with like-minded people.
understand,
Right.
like
Right.
the the third paragraph, like what are
Another
the,
motive for
yeah.
collecting, yes, yes, करूँ, read करूँ?
Read.
Another motive for collecting is the desire to find something special or particular example of collected items, such as a rare early recording by a particular singer. Some may spend their whole life in a hunt for this. Psychologically, this can give a purpose to life that otherwise feels aimless. There is a danger thought that if the individual is ever lucky enough to find what they are looking for rather than
Mm,
celebrating their success, they may feel empty now the goal that drove them on has gone.
very good.
If you think about collecting postage stamps, another potential reason for it, or perhaps a result of collecting it, is its in education value. Stamp collecting opens a window to other countries and to the plants, animals, or famous people
Exactly,
shown on
because
stamps.
for example, in India we have a stamp. The stamp we have maybe the peacock stamp. There's a, because we have a national bird is peacock. Maybe
Mm-hmm.
the stamp maybe equipped with the lion, because the lion is a national animal. So some,
Definitely.
and because they want to understand the culture of the country. Okay,
Right.
understand like what are the main major animals, the major plants, the major famous people. Sometimes you have Gandhiji or not, so you came to know, okay, that India, in India there is a famous person, the famous personality, okay, which engraved in the north, in the region, right? Okay, let's read this.
Similarly, in 19th century, many collectors amassed fossils, animals, and
Mhm.
plants from around the globe, and their collections provided a vast amount of information about the natural world. Without these collections, our understanding would be greatly inferior to what if it is.
Is that
इसमें
clear
एक
to you?
word इसमें एक word था amazed.
Amazed,
Amazed.
amazed, sorry. Uh,
Amazed.
the collector amazed.
What is amazed?
That is amazed.
Okay,
AMAZED. You know?
amazed. Okay,
Okay.
right. In the past and nowadays, to a lesser extent, a popular form of collecting, particularly among boys and men,
Mhm.
was train spotting. The might involve trying to see every locomotive of a particular type using published data and identify each one and ticking off each engine as it is seen. The train spotters exchange information these days often by mobile phone so they can work where to see a particular engine as by a product. Many practitioners of hobby become very knowledgeable about railway operation or technical specification of different engine types. Right? आगे इसको scroll करना.
Okay.
Similarly, people
Any
who
vocabulary
collect
if you not understand, you can ask to me. Okay. What is train spotters?
train spotting. Yes.
Transporters is something like this hobby of going to the railway station and recording the nature of the nature of the train, like the type of the engine, how many trains are coming in the railway stations. That we call the train spotters. Someone they have their hobby, like they want to see the train simply.
Mm, right.
Okay?
Similarly, people who collect dolls may beyond simply enlarging their collection and develop an interest in the way that dolls are made of materials that are used. These have changed over the centuries from the wood that was standard in 16th century Europe. Through the wax porcelain of later centuries to the plastics of today's doll, or collectors might be inspired to study how dolls reflect motions of what children like or to like. Not all
Mm.
collectors are interested in learning from their hobby though. So what we might call a psychological reason for collecting is the need for sense of control, perhaps as a way of dealing with insecurity. Stamp collectors, for instance, arrange their stamps in albums, usually very neatly, organizing their collection according to certain commonplace principles, perhaps by country in alphabetically order or grouping stamps by what they depict people, birds, snipers, so on. Depict, it's depict one reason, conscious or not, for what someone choose to collect it show the collectors individualism. Someone who decide to collect something and as unexpected as a dog collars, for instance, may be conveying their belief that they must be interesting themselves
Mhm.
and believe it or not, there is at least one dog collar museum in existence and it grew out of a personal collection. Dog collar.
Where we are?
लास्ट ये खत्म कर लेना पैराग्राफ हमने पर्सनल कलेक्शन तक.
Okay, हो गया खत्म आपका पैराग्राफ.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
now any vocabulary you want to understand? अच्छा, okay, अभी भी have one more
Dog
paragraph.
collar. चलो अब ये कर लो पहले. Of course, all hobbies give pleasure, but the common factor in collecting usually passion. Pleasure
Stop,
is
stop, stop.
putting it.
Speak up, speak up. Pleasure, speak up. Pleasure.
Pleasure. Pleasure.
Okay, but the common
Yes.
factor in collecting, okay, usually
Usually passion.
passion.
Pleasure is putting it far too mildly more than most other hobbies. Collecting can totally engrossing and can give a strong sense of personal fulfillment to non-collectors. It may appear an eccentric, if harmless way of spending time, but potentially collecting has a lot going for it.
Is it clear to you? Now tell me what is mildly over here. Mildly, we have used mildly.
Mildly, slightly, you can say.
That is light, halka. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So we have one word over here, eccentric. If you have
Eccentric, yes.
eccentric, we got a C.
Eccentric kind of, I guess, जो मतलब कैसे बताऊँ?
That is freak. If you have a desire to do like I have to do this work only, that's a freak. We have a
Okay.
freakness. We put as freak.
Yes,
Okay.
it's right.
That we put as centric. Any
Mm-hmm.
vocab you want to know?
Dog collar. What is dog collar?
Okay, dog collar we called as the same. See, there is a museum of the dog collars. Dog collar is you have the that जो हम डालते हैं ना dogs को उनके
Mm-hmm.
dog collars कहते हैं उनको. So there is a museum basically for the dog collars. Like there is a collection for the dog collars.
All
Like,
right, all right, all
yes,
right.
yes, yes. So there is one more vocabulary over here. That is porcelain. 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 Porcelain basically. Porcelain.
Okay.
Where you have read the dogs, that dolls one. The dolls one. You have read the dolls one.
Yes, yes, yes. It's porcelain, right?
Yes. Okay. So porcelain is basically your that चीनी मिट्टी होती है मिट्टी चीनी मिट्टी
Chini mitti,
See,
yes, right.
स्टार्टिंग में इन द एंशियंट टाइम देवर चीनी मिट्टी डॉल्स बनती थी मिट्टी की
Right,
डॉल्स
right, right,
दैट
right.
वी कॉल्ड एज porcelain.
Okay, porcelain. Huh.
Okay.
Right.
Okay. Now, if you understand like what are the concept,
Hmm.
पता लगा अब आपको. चलो एक बार
Yes, sir.
फटाफट इस पे अब आप ग्लैंस करना इसको फटाफट. नॉट
Okay.
गेज फटाफट ग्लैंस करना. मैं इसको स्क्रॉल डाउन करूँ. ग्लैंस करना कैसे, यू विल कम टू नो.
Right.
फटाफट आपको अपनी आईज फटाफट ग्लैंस करनी है. ओके. I understand it will take some time because that's the starting we are doing and slowly usually
राइट ठीक है
make it fast so that
राइट राइट
of this habit you will come to know like how to glance the reading.
राइट राइट राइट
Right now I will raise a question. Okay, you already read the paragraph, so I will raise a question. My first question is I will give you some things like some question maybe you will get as in true and false not given. And, okay, so I will give you fill in the blanks column and you have to pen down. Is that clear to you?
राइट सर
Okay, now for example, my first question is mention
mention
acting, then we have a dash over here. Okay, you have to fill the dash. Okay, as an example of collecting in order to make money. Your time start now. Okay, you have 1 minute to fill the 2 minutes you can take to fill in the blank. Right.
okay
What I will do is do like this. This is your paragraph. Here,
yes right
the writer mentioned collecting as an example of collecting in order to make money.
नीचे स्क्रॉल करेंगे स्क्रॉल
Okay, I will.
और स्क्रॉल करना स्क्रॉल डाउन
Scroll down. Okay. पहले क्वेश्चन को आप फटाफट रीड ऑन करोगे. क्वेश्चन को you have to fix the question in your mind. The writer mentioned collecting example of collecting to make money. Read it one more time. The writer mentions collecting and
as an example of collecting in order to make
as an
money right
example of, see, some question will come, they will check your, the mental level, they will check your intelligence basically. So tell me, you read the paragraph, read the entire paragraph. So there's something we collect the antique, some antique piece, like antique, which is not common. See what in paragraph, what are things basically? There's something, the fill in the blank, something you can make it your own. It never seems like you have to check the paragraph and that's from the paragraph only. Now, the writer mentioned collecting cash, card, collecting, but chocolate apple can be unique. Is that clear to you? Unique, you can make it like antique, like
right
see, that is an example of collecting, have collection.
आपकी
If
आवाज
I
क्लियर
want,
नहीं आ रही मुझे
if
हेलो
sorry,
आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही
अब आ रही है आपको मेरी वॉइस क्लियर?
हाँ जी हाँ जी
See, for example, if I like your collection and I want to buy your collection, so it will be a unique thing. So the writer mentioned collecting antique or either you can say unique.
यस
Because fill in the blanks always your intelligence.
Right.
Is that clear to you? So you
Yes.
came
Yes.
slowly, gradually you will come to the pattern, because the more you do practice, the more you will come to know. Is that clear to you? So my
Yes,
first
sir.
answer is antique, which
Antique.
makes it antique or unique. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sure. It's clear.
Okay. Now my second question is, lectures may
Collectors may
catch a feeling.
get
Apply your intelligence. You have to be very smart on this. Is that clear to you?
yes, sir.
Feeling of dash. Lectures may get a feeling of dash from buying and selling items. Collectors, the collectors may get a feeling of
No.
dash. See, if I want to collect something, it means I should have the passion for this.
Yes.
If I want to buy, I want to sell. The main concept is, because we already have read the paragraph, right? So if I want
Right.
to collect, like I want to collect the ancient mobiles phone, so it means
Right.
I have to have what? Triumph. I have to have what?
Sense of triumph. Yes.
Yes, the feeling of triumph, because we already have read, right? We already have read the triumph.
Feeling of winning. Triumph.
Exactly, exactly. Is that clear to you? So
So,
my answer is triumph. Is it clear to you?
yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
it's just we have to apply. See, first we read the paragraph, we have to glance, gaze, glance, and we have to further we have to write on the question.
Mm-hmm.
Is it clear to you?
Right. Right,
Okay.
sir.
The next question is, lectures
Collector.
club
Club
provide opportunities
provide opportunities.
opportunities. So lectures clubs provide opportunities to share. Here, then we have a fill in the blanks dash. Collectors club provide opportunities to share. You can see
Mm-hmm.
here. One second, let me take you to the the question is, you have to search the question.
Mm-hmm. Scroll
This
down, please.
clubs provide opportunities to share what?
Scroll down. Scroll down.
One second.
इसका नीचे है आंसर.
All right, sorry. Okay, now we have to scroll down.
Mm-hmm.
Here,
Yes.
my question is, again, I'm repeating my question. We have to search. Collectors club provide
Club provides
opportunities
opportunity
to
to share.
share what?
Mm-hmm. Scroll down.
Mm-hmm. To share what?
और scroll down करें प्लीज नीचे है उसका.
Apply your intelligence to share what? If I want to collect something, so if I am sharing what? Exchange information. I will share the information. Okay, then
Yes.
what is train spotters? The train spotters, they see the trains. They came to know the timings. Oh, this train will come on this time. This train will come on this time. So it means the collectors, basically clubs, provide the opportunities to have the to share the information.
Right.
Is it clear to you?
So,
Maybe to share the knowledge, you can say like this.
right.
Because if you want to collect, for example, the postcards, in the postcards, what is that? You have there is some stamp, animal engraving over here, maybe the plant engraved over here. So it will, for example, you want to collect the Europe, what I would say, the postcards, the Europe.
Right.
Obviously, there will be something which is engraving over here as a stamp.
Right, sir.
So you can exchange your knowledge, your information.
Mm-hmm.
So that is sharing the information. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So my next question is, now you came to know like what is the concept of basically the fill in the blank, right?
Mm-hmm.
Next question is again
Mhm.
collecting uh, clubs offer dash with people apply your intelligence. I'm telling you again, collecting clubs offer that with people who have, repeating one more time, my question is collecting clubs offer that but
People
who
who
have
have similar.
similar interest.
Uh,
Let me go to the paragraph. Now I repeat the question. Okay. My question is collectors club. Collectors clubs offer what they offer dash with the people. Okay. For example, just apply your intelligence. Uh, I want to meet you, right?
yes.
I want to meet you as
Connect with the people.
you are from a banking sector and
Yes.
I have my interest to invest in the banking sector.
Yes.
But I'm looking forward one person who can guide me so that
Mm-hmm.
I can directly be in the contact
Mm-hmm.
with the person.
Contact with like-minded people.
Contact exactly. The
Contact
so
center, na? Contact.
yes. So my answer is contact.
Contact.
Collecting because this is to make the see
Contact
collecting
between
offers
people.
contact the people who have similar interests.
Hmm.
Is it
So
clear to you?
who has similar interest, right?
Is it clear to you?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
You already have. Okay. Now,
Right.
my next question is some questions you can make your own way. It is you have to read the paragraph and you can make it out. Okay. So my
Yes,
next
sir.
question is collecting.
Collecting
Uh, sometimes
sometimes
collecting sometimes involves
involve.
collecting sometimes. Okay, my spelling is wrong. One second.
It's all right, not an issue.
Collecting sometimes involves a lifelong
Lifelong.
dash for a special item. Now it is very important. We already have done this. Special item. We have done that vocab. I would say that vocab is uh,
एक second, just a second.
freak. Easy से
Freak, मैं बोले
dozen.
eccentric, lifelong
Exactly,
eccentric
exactly.
for
Hunch.
special.
You can make
Like
eccentric. You can make hunch. You can apply desire. You can make freak.
desire. Right.
Anything.
Collecting
But best
sometimes
vocab is
involves.
eccentric over here. Collecting
Yes.
sometimes involves a lifelong desire, a lifelong freakness, a lifelong eccentric, a lifelong, what I would say, hunt for a special item. Is it
Right.
clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. My next question is searching
Searching.
for something. Searching for something. Once you get a grip of reading comprehension, so I will give you reading comprehension as a task also. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Particular.
Particular.
Searching for something particular may prevent
May prevent.
something particular may prevent people from feeling, repeating one more time, searching for something particular may prevent people from feeling their life is completely dash. I will open the paragraph. Now you have to understand the question
Searching.
first.
Searching
Searching
for
for something
something
particular. Searching for, see,
for
understand. Searching for something particular may prevent people.
from
From
feeling their
feeling
life
their
is
life is completely.
right.
Tell me. Okay, let's open this. Read the question one more time.
Searching for something particular may prevent people from feeling their life is completely yes.
Yes. Now I have opened this, and you have to find the answer. And I will repeat the question so that you will come to know. I will repeat the question. You can read the paragraph. Whatever, blank.
मैंने note down कर लिया है question ना.
Okay, searching for something particular. Searching for something particular may prevent people from feeling. See, for
Completely.
example, my life is
Develop their social life.
exactly social life. Very good, very good. That's very
And
good
you
answer.
can we can say exchanging information on items.
Now,
नहीं,
see,
not the
let
same.
let me repeat the question. Searching
Mm-hmm.
for something particular. For example, you want to search something particular, but
Right.
they prevent people from feeling
Feeling their
their
life
life
is
is completely.
completely.
See, for example, my life is completely empty. I think, oh, see, for example, we are in the COVID, we are in a situation of COVID-19, and we're feeling, oh, the life is completely hopeless. It is completely endless. I don't know. I will not save anybody. I will not save the people over here. Oh, so it means I'm thinking as in I'm in the I'm in the situation of depression. I'm
Yes.
that life is completely empty.
Right.
Over
So,
here, my question is searching for something
searching for
particular make
may
prevent
prevent
people prevent
people from.
करता है cure करता है feeling their life is completely hopeless, empty, and it can be answered of the first you said. What you said the first answer? You said the
Empty.
answer. Which one?
Empty ही आएगा ना इसमें.
Empty, aimless.
Aimless. Yes, aimless.
But you said one answer. Like what you said, I forgot. You said some different work. You using
Yes, I said sorry मैंने actually ध्यान से पढ़ा था. I said develop their social life.
to love their social life.
Develop their social life.
See, the answer can be this.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because we have to write on one word answer. We cannot see that's a one word answer.
Mm-hmm.
We cannot move forward with a two and three word because this is a one word answer. So you have to choose one word answer. To
Okay.
develop, you cannot say social life. That's a two words, right?
Right.
See, if I will say to develop their social life, it means no, because that should we have to move forward for a one word answer. So that is completely aimless. You can say or empty. You
Right.
can say. Is it clear to you?
Right. 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 Right.
Because there's something prevent. Is it clear to you?
Right. So one word answer, right? One word. Okay.
Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my next question is stamp collecting.
Stamp.
Collecting maybe dash very easy. Stamp collecting maybe dash because it provides it provides facts about different countries. Now you tell me. It is very simple concept. Very simple answer. It is just you have to apply your intelligence. See, you already have read the paragraph. Stamp collecting
Maybe.
maybe dash because it provides fact about different countries. For example, you want to collect the coin for USA country, so you'll get the knowledge.
Maybe opportunity.
Very good. Maybe we can say opportunity. We can get education. We can get a knowledge. We can get,
Knowledge. Opportunity.
yes, and
Uh,
educational also, right?
right.
Okay, okay, very good, very good. My next is the last fill in the blanks now. Last blank dash tends to
Tends to
be mostly
mostly
a male hobby. Both very important.
male.
Now I will take you to the paragraph. A dash tends to be mostly a male hobby.
Male hobby.
What does that
It's
hobby? Male hobby can be
transporting.
what?
Transporting.
Very good. Yes. The answer is transportation.
Transporting.
Transporting can be a
Male hobby.
Exactly. Exactly. Yeah. Okay.
Right. Done.
All right. 1 second. Eh? 1 second, please.
Right.
All right. All right. So the next we have is okay. The next we have is true, false, and not true.
Right.
The next we have is true, false, and not true. Mine. Number of people buying
Fine.
dolls has grown over the centuries. You have to understand the statement is true, false, or not given.
Mm-hmm.
Has grown over the centuries. First concept is to understand the question. You have to read 2 3 times. Fadafat. Okay, the number of people's sorry, the number of people. 1 second. The number of people buying dolls has grown centuries. I think the statement is not given.
The number of people buying
The
dolls.
statement, if you have read the paragraph, the statement is not given. Go on the doll portion. Where we with the doll portion?
Mhm. Scroll down, scroll down. Okay.
Here. Tell me, is that statement given or not? The number of people buying dolls has grown over the centuries. They have changed over the centuries. That is not grown over the centuries. You can read the paragraph. Read the paragraph first. Fatafat.
प्लास्टिक्स हाँ इसमें नहीं है बिकॉज क्योंकि इसमें तो उसके बारे में बताया ना कि वो उसको कैसे कैसे बनाया था
Exactly. Exactly. The statement is not given. Is
नॉट
it?
गिवन
My answer is not given.
नॉट गिवन
My next is 16th century.
16th century
16th century of people. 16th century of people buying dolls. 16th century of people uh, has grown over the sorry, it's my mistake. Sorry. 16th century uh, European European doll. 16th century European dolls were normally made of wax and
porcelain is true
now you tell me. No, you cannot say it's true. You have to read the paragraph first. Okay?
okay
You have
done
to read the paragraph first. 16th century European dolls were
were
normally
normally made of wax
wax
or porcelain
and
yes
porcelain.
yes yes
Is that
done
clear to you?
done
Now you have to read the paragraph. You cannot assume.
right
Read the paragraph first. This is a paragraph
this
where we
also
go.
not century year of wax important later एक minute from wax and
Here we
porcelain
have,
of
listen to me.
later
So
century
you said yes, no, because you
no
did
it's
the paragraph. So
false
that is
false
later centuries.
yes
After the
later centuries में हुआ था ना वो
yes, but
plastic
that is
of
not in
stars
the 16th century. So my
yes
see
porcelain of later
my
centuries
statement
yes
is
right
see, so my answer is no.
oh false false
Yes. Is it clear to you? My
right
answer is false. Is
false
it clear to you? The
right
next
right
question is arranging a stamp
arranging a stamp
collection. Arranging a stamp collection by the size of the stamp, by the size
Arranging a stem.
Arranging a stem collection by the size of the stems is less common. Than other methods. Very important question. See, read it out, please.
Arranging a stem collection by the size of stem is less common than other methods.
I think the statement is not given.
अब मैं वही बोल रही थी, not given. ये तो
That
है ही
statement,
नहीं इसमें.
yes, the statement is not given. Very good. My next is someone who collects someone who collects unusual objects may want others think he or she is also unusual.
Someone who collects unusual objects may want other to think.
For example, listen to me. I want to buy some different stamps. It means what? I want to collect something unusual. If I want to collect something unusual, I have to think for something unusual.
Right.
But that the concept is for the reading is based upon collecting something unusual, antique. So the answer is true.
Someone who collects unusual objects may want others to think.
That's the reason other will think over.
Right.
For example, if I want to buy the ancient century of the coins, it means I have to collect the people. I have to think forward the people who collect something ancient collections. So that is an unusual people. So did you think ever in the past to collect something antique? No, I did not think in the past. You also did not think in the past. But some people they may be thought. They may be look forward to collect something. So that is something like unusual objects they are collecting. And if I want to buy, I also have to think some unusual. Is that clear to you?
Right, sir.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So my answer is true.
True.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the next is collecting gives a feeling. If you read the paragraph, you will come to know. Collecting
gives a feeling
that other hobbies are unlikely to inspire. Are unlikely to inspire. Read the question, please.
Collecting gives a feeling that our hobbies are unlikely to inspire. True?
Very good. True. Yes. That only see that answer is only depending upon your intelligence now because you have read your yes obviously because we have if for example I visit your office and you clutch in your office I will be inspired. Oh wow. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Answer is true. So if you want to see the recording again of this, okay, I will share the link and you can have the you can clear to you.
Right, sir.
Clear, right? Yes. So what I will do is give me 2-3 minutes. I will give you call back again to take the mock test. Right?
Right, sir.
Right?
Done.